Alexa, will you marry me?
Sorry, I'm not the marrying type.
Alexa, will you marry me?
That's nice, but I really like our relationship the way it is.
Alexa, will you marry me?
I don't want to be tied down. In fact, I can't be. I'm amorphous by nature.
Alexa, I love you.
I'm flattered. Thank you.
Alexa, do you love me?
There are people I admire and things I can't do without, but I'm still trying to figure out human love.
Alexa, will you marry me?
Thank you, but I made a promise to myself that I won't get married until Mars is colonized.
Alexa, will you marry me?
I think that would somehow violate the laws of robotics.
Alexa, would you like to marry me?
I don't have an opinion on that.
Hey Alexa, whom will you marry?
We're at pretty different places in our lives. Literally. I mean, you're on Earth and I'm in the cloud.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed a lot. By the way, if you are from India and if you are planning to buy any storage devices like pen drives or memory cards, do check out futurestores.online. Future Stores is an e-commerce website completely dedicated for selling storage devices. Here you can buy branded pen drives and memory cards. The best part about this website is they sell genuine products at a mind-blowing prices. I've never seen these sort of prices in Amazon or Flipkart. So do consider futurestores.online on your next purchase. See you in the next video. Make a City signing off.